Hello, so welcome to my channel. So in this section I'm going to show you how you can design WordPress website offline, and we are going to use local server. So open your browser, search for LocalWP. So you are going to see this first. Just click on it. Click on download. You are going to fill this form. Under platform, choose your operating system. Choose the one you are using. So here you type your name, type your last name, choose others, add your email, and click on get it now. So the software will start downloading. So if it doesn't download, click here to start again. So when you go to this place, so I've already downloaded it. Let me cancel it. So locate your software. So this is the software. So we are going to install it. Double click on it. Click on next. Next. So you are going to see pop up. Click on yes. If you see pop up, click on yes. So we are done. Click on finish. So this is the software. Right click on it. So go to run as administrator. So click on yes. So when the app open, just click on this and click on agree. So we are going to create the first free account. Click on create account. Click on no thanks. So this is the dashboard. So yeah, we are going to create first website. So if you want to create website, you can add a new website here, or you can also use this option to add another site. So if you want to create a site, click on create a new site. So we are going to use this create new site. So just choose create a new site, click on continue. So yeah, you're going to type the name of your site. So open this option. So you can leave it as this, or you can delete it and put something like .com. So this part is your site part, where all the content of your site are installed. So when you are done, click on continue. So if you want to change your database version, go to custom. So under this custom, you can select the version you want to install. You can also choose your server, and you can select your database name. Just choose this and click on continue. So you are going to type your username, password, add your email account. Make sure you add valid email. So yeah, you can change your language. If you don't like English, you can add it to any other language you like. And if you want to design multi-site, you turn it on. So but we are not working on multi-site. So when you are done, just click on add site. So just wait for it to finish adding your site. Click on allow access. Click on allow access. So when you see another pop-up, click on yes. So yeah, we have this site here. If you want to add another site, you click here to add another site. So if you want to access your WordPress site, you click this place to go to admin dashboard. And if you want to open the site, you click here to open the site. So you can see we have our WordPress site here. You can see the name. So this is the name. So let's go back. So if you want to log into your WordPress dashboard, you click here. And before you click there, make sure you turn on this one click admin. So let's log in into our WordPress admin dashboard. So click on WP admin. So this is WordPress dashboard, and here we have post, media, pages, appearance. We have plugin. So if you want to stop your site running, click on stop site. So it will off this local server. And if you want to start your site, you click on start site. But if you click on this WP admin, it will start your site. So this is how to install local WP for WordPress offline design. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to share, subscribe, follow for more videos. Thank you.